The 75CNC-2A-1S CNC pipe bending machine is a high-precision, high-efficiency, fully automatic tube processing equipment designed for industrial pipe forming. It delivers a maximum bending capacity of Phi 753 mm for carbon steel and Phi 633 mm for stainless steel at 1.5D, with a maximum bending radius of 350 mm and a bending angle up to 190. The bending accuracy reaches plus or minus 0.15, ensuring stable and consistent forming quality for various pipe profiles. Equipped with a Japanese Mitsubishi servo system and PLC, it features automatic fault detection and automatic lubrication, ensuring stable operation and easy maintenance. The integrated hydraulic system is leak-proof and supports both mandrel and mandrel-free bending. It offers jog, single cycle, and fully automatic modes with complete safety protection. It is widely used in automotive furniture, HVAC, construction, and other industries for high-precision pipe bending applications.